I'm gonna have a bit of my coffee here. I make this coffee. It doesn't look great, but it tastes pretty good. Okay. Today I show you this interesting power plug, and I found this in the IKEA offer zone. And I wanted to buy the normal priced version of this, which is $5.50, $5.49. And then I found this in the offer zone. You know that bazaar in IKEA where just before the cashiers. Let me know if in your country IKEA, if it doesn't have these used items, returned items or damaged packages where they sell them for lower price. I really like that place. There's always something interesting to find there. Well, I guess not always. I guess it's not always something interesting, but when I do find something there that's really good, I like it so much. Especially this one. I wanted to buy it anyway. So I bought this As-Is package. It's an electricity plug. It's an electric plug for the wall socket. It doesn't look like it's damaged in any way, so they wouldn't sell these things if they had any problems like faults in them. It's probably just a returned item or the package was damaged for it. I don't know. They have a reference here, so they would know exactly what's this from which order, and why is it in this offer zone. But for me, it doesn't really matter that much. And I wanted to... They make this kind of custom packing where they put it on a piece of cardboard like this, and they put that label. This is for the small things. I really don't like it that they put this stamp as is. And this desk here, the desk I'm making the videos here, all the videos are made on this desk. It's from that offer zone. I paid €10 for it, I think, or 15. Yeah, I guess you can tell already by now that I really like that offer zone. Okay, so let's see how this thing looks like. This is the UK plug. Here in Cyprus, this is what we use. There are many countries that use this UK style plug. I actually like this. I like that the wall sockets, all the sockets, they have a switch, so you can turn off the socket. You can turn off the socket. I really like that. This one, there are some plugs like this. Is a splitter, triple. Some of them, they even have a button, but those ones, I don't like them so much. They could get a bit damaged. This one is very simple. It also has a fuse here, so they do have a fuse. There should be a fuse in there, and the maximum load is 13 amps. 13 amps are 250 volts. So this is the UK style of plug. If it doesn't work, first thing to check is the fuse in here. Also, as you see, there is the actual screw inside. It's a type of security screw. I have screws to open this thing, but I don't want to open it. I don't want to mess with that thing. And here, I don't know, they put this kind of label on top of it there. $5.49. And then I guess I could remove it. I'm not sure. Could I try to remove this? The As-Is label, you can't really remove that. Yeah, I think I can remove this part. Okay. So it's $5.49. It's the Copla 3 multi-socket splitter into 3. So you plug in to the wall, and then you make from 1, you make 3. The usual price is $5.49. I got it for $3.50, which is nice, if it works. I guess this is how you pay for these things, buying these things, that you have to remove these labels, and because it's the As-Is label. Okay, I think I could remove this one. Okay. I want to remove the whole thing so it's nice and clean, but you cannot make it perfect because there is this thing they have to know, because these have the warranty is not the same as the ones you buy as new. I'm not exactly sure, maybe they have like a few months or something, or you can't return them. I think they have warranty, but you can't just return them like the usual ones. They have no returns. I'm not sure. Write in the comments below if you know this the return policy on this. It's made in China. Do not connect to each other so you don't make like a daisy chain of these things. And it's you plug it in and it works. If it doesn't work, I'm not gonna try it now, because usually these things they don't break. There is no reason for it to break. It has a safety here, so the safety is there. This safety is there to keep this closed until this plug goes in. The other two cannot go in. That's how it works for this UK plug. It's really safe. It's a really good system, I believe. Very safe. So yeah, be careful with electricity, and when you plug in these things, in general, whatever type it is, plug them all the way in. When you plug these things in, whatever type it is, make sure you plug them all the way in, like until here, not until here, like halfway or anything like this. When you plug them all the way in, you make sure that it's good contact and there is no chance of doing anything suspicious in the wall socket. The electricity is something very serious, so you have to be very careful when you're handling these things. They are made to be safe, but when they're used the proper way. As is. Thanks for watching.